Hey everyone, my name is Mai'ya and I am an oboe player. And one thing that separates the oboe from many other instruments is that it uses a double reed. And oboe players get asked quite often about our double reeds and how we get them into this condition and how we actually make them sound and work so that we can actually play the oboe. So I wanted to take this time to give a general overview so everyone could sort of understand the basic process we go through to make reeds. These are some of the basic materials we use to get the reeds into the condition where they can actually sound on the oboe. Not too many, kind of exciting with some knives and razor blades over there. This process is recommended to take about 7 days. If need be, can be done in 3 to 5, but not recommended. So without further ado, this is how we get the reed to sound like this. Got a piece of cane like this. They look like this. It's a tube. And then we use an instrument called a splitter. See the splitter down there? And we split the cane down, bang, 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 to where it looks like this in 3 separate pieces. Once we have these 3 separate pieces, it then goes through a machine called the guillotine, where basically put the reed in. Put the reed in the guillotine and you split it. You do that until you have the cane down to about this size here. The next process of what you want to do is gouge it so that it's thinner. And this is what a finished gouged piece of cane looks like. Next, you take your shaped piece of cane. Next, you take the gouged piece of cane and you place it on a shaper. This is the shape of what the reed looks like. We use a razor blade to shape this cane. This is what a finished piece of shaped cane looks like. It resembles the shape. Once we have our shaped piece of cane, we then tie it to what we call a staple. This is what a finished reed tied onto a staple looks like. We just use thread. Then we use knives and razor blades to shape the reed. And when you have your finished reed, you should be able to crow it. It's a little low, but it works. And then just place it in the oboe and play it.